Here we have a 69 plate Range Rover Autobiography. Now this vehicle comes with the black exterior package. We also have the 21-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all of which in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the black exterior paintwork, the LED headlights, Range Rover badging across the bonnet, again in gloss black. We have the gloss black front grills, and there's a look at that front end. Coming around to the passenger side, you find we have the air suspension, so the vehicle can raise or lower. It's currently set to the access height. We also have the deployable side steps on the bottom, making it easy to get in and out of the vehicle. Colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you find we have the panoramic glass sunroof that's currently open. It can also get put onto a tilt, shark fin antennae and rear spoiler. Now we also have the 360-degree cameras with the parking sensors and of course the visual display inside. We have the power operated tailgate, which is split in two. We also have the dual legs exhaust at the back. Coming back round to the driver's side though, you find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. And if you take a look now at the interior, so coming into the back first, you'll find we do have the full leather seats. We have the electrically refundable armrest in the centre. Fixed ISO points as well back here. We have the climate control in the centre for the rear passengers, and both of the rear seats are electrically adjustable. We have the memory functions. We also have the Meridian sound system, electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front, you'll also find the same leather seats. Again, both these front seats are electrically adjustable. With the memory functions, they also have the massage function and they can be heated or cooled. Meridian sound system, electric mirrors, electric windows. We have the multifunctional steering wheel, which is electrically adjustable. There's a look at the roof as well from the inside. As you can see, side steps have deployed, making it easier to get into the vehicle. Digital dashboard in front of us. If you put a foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle will start up. Paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel. We have the automatic wipers and the automatic lights on either stalk. Adaptive cruise control on the right, along with the speedometer and the heated steering wheel button just there, and the lane assist. You can see we are free from any warning lights as well on the digital dashboard. We also have the heads-up display just up here. Now if that is flickering or any of the lights or screens are flickering, it's just the camera. They're not flickering in real life. It's nothing to worry about. Main infotainment screens in the centre. We have the likes of the sat-nav on here, along with plenty more features as well you would have seen on the photos. If we go through some of them quickly onto the main menu, you find the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Scroll across again, you'll also find the ambient lighting. We have the Bluetooth media and phone connectivity. Of course the DAB radio, 4x4 information just here. So if we go on to here, you can see we have all the off-road information along with the driver assist. So this vehicle is very capable of going off-road. On the secondary screen, you'll also find the different drive modes. It's currently on auto, but if you just press this in, you can use the dial to go through the different drive modes. So you find the likes of the comfort. We have grass, gravel, snow, mud ruts, sand program. We also have the rock crawl. And then we have the eco and also the dynamic. But let's leave it in auto for now. We then have the seats as well, where you find we have the heated or they can be cooled just like so on either side. We also have the massage function as well on both the front seats just here. We then have the rear seats as well, which can be again heated or they can be cooled, as you can see just there. Climate control as well. If you just go onto the climate control, you find we have the ice cold air conditioning as well, as you can see down there. Automatic gearbox. We have the cup holders underneath there, and we also have the air suspension, so you can raise all over the vehicle. So if you press this button just here, you'll find it goes to the normal height. Press again and it goes to off-road, or we can set it back to the access height. We then have the hill descent control and the low range gearbox. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with free nationwide delivery. Thank you for watching.